Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the Aussie dollar. Now the Aussie dollar has a very interesting configuration on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour we see the Aussie dollar actually making lower highs, right? However, at the same time, instead of making lower lows, okay, it made a low here, it made a higher low, it made a slightly lower low, so it's sort of moving sideways. Okay, but what I'm thinking price could do is, because of the lower highs, okay, if we draw a trend line, alright, the Aussie dollar could very well come down to here, alright, and then pushed higher to make another lower high again, and we should see the Aussie dollar in some sort of a squeeze. Alright, so with that, okay, I just want to look for any intraday opportunities. Now we can actually take a retracement from the low to the high over here. Okay, we'll take one retracement, 0.1, 0.2, we can open all Fibonacci ratios. Alright, we see that price actually tapped the 61.8, okay, very key level. Alright, so the 61.8 is tapped over here. Alright, so for now I'm just going to put this level over here as a sort of a support. Okay, I'm just going to put a support level. Okay, let's just use a blue line. Okay. Okay, so a support level, a key level. Alright, let's go down to the 1 hour. So now on the 1 hour we see that price, okay, made a strong preceding down push, alright, before forming sort of this sort of pattern, right? If we change the line chart, it's easier to see. Alright, this is what we call a classical double bottom pattern. So we just need to wait for a breakout of this. Alright, we should see price push higher. Okay, so we are waiting for that breakout. Alright, at the same time we can also use Fibonacci retracement of this last move, 0.1, 0.2, I'm thinking a 78.6. okay, let's open up 78.6 and we see that we have a strong Fibonacci confluence level over here as well. So price is coming back down to this. Now I'm just going to back it up. Okay, I'm just going to use this as sort of a stop loss. Alright, and just draw this. It really is a support zone. Okay, this is a support area. Alright, so we expect price to push higher, right? Of course, we have our long-term take profit over here, sort of like a daily target, because this is a 1 hour chart. But if we were to use Fibonacci retracement from the last high to the low, okay, we actually see that we do have an intermediate target at the 50% level as well. See this 50% here, it is a graphical overlap. Alright, so this is sort of a partial take profit. Alright, so partial take profit. Okay, so we like I said, we're actually waiting for a breakout. So I'll wait for a breakout here, not the best risk reward. Okay, so this will be a buy entry, so to say. Alright, I'll put a entry over here. Alright, and very quickly take partial profit because of the graphical overlap and the Fibonacci level, and then play to the last swing high. So really waiting for that breakout. Now, for those of you who are a bit more high risk, alright, you can actually, instead of this being the stop loss, right, what you can do is you can actually use this as your entry, alright, anywhere in this zone as an entry, okay, and play all the way up with this level here as the stop loss instead. Alright, the previous swing low. Alright, so this gives better risk reward, but it is also a riskier trade. Otherwise, alright, it will be more prudent to wait for the double bottom pattern to be completed, alright, and then make that bullish play. Last but not least, we can actually also look at stochastics. Alright, 34 is too high. Normally I use 21, a bit more sensitive, and I can actually draw support. Alright, we see that every time the stochastics taps this support level, alright, there is a reversal, and we are seeing the same thing happening again. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Take care, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.